My name's Luke Rethwisch. My dad actually owns the company. His name's Bill Rethwisch. This is our build-off truck that we built this year. It's a 1987 359 Peterbilt. We haul fuel for Quick Trip up in Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. That's our main thing. We got 42 trucks and a bunch of trailers. That's mainly all we do, and then we do some oil too. This is a 1987 359 Peterbilt that we did up. It's got a 2021 389 frame underneath it off of a wreck truck that we had that we redid. We did 379 frame horns on the front that we could do our steering box to the front on the other side. That way it steers better. We chromed all our brake drums on all the axles. Our air ride on the front end, Chad Berry, he did that. Chromed all our shocks, all our S-cams, slack adjusters, all our U-bolts, tie rod, basically anything you think of chroming, kind of chromed. We did 2 lube refiners on both sides instead of one like it would normally have. Did all new dash panels in it with the wood grain, carpet through there. I got all new interior for it from Truckin' Awesome. The frame color is legendary red. It's got really heavy metallic in it. Did the whole entire sleeper, the cabinets and everything, they come black from factory. I didn't want to take the factory look away from it, so I did them all black again instead of doing it the same color as the truck. Tried to keep it as much original and old school as we could. And then back here, we got our 5th wheel, painted the pads and everything on it, polished it all out. Then we got these custom wheel stands made so we could have the wheels off the truck, and so they're spinning beside the truck, and then we could have all the chrome brake drums with custom stands on it. Then we got 2 custom gas pumps made up for our sign. Instead of having a generic sign for all the thank yous and stuff, we did gas pumps because we haul fuel. Then on the back of the sleeper, we cut them diamonds in the back instead of doing one big window like the 389s have. Did the diamond windows for more of an old school look. Did Hogue-built full fenders that are currently blinding me right now. Custom fender brackets and all that. Did a custom panel in front of the axles to cover it all up. Chromed the drive shafts on it all the way through. Got these custom light panels made from 12 gauge. He custom made those and made my bumper for me. Got all the tanks brand new. They're all polished out. Same with all the wheels. They're all brand new small hole Alcoa wheels. Coming up here, we got the Dynaflex 5-inch miter cut 359 OG kit for stacks. And I got 2 brand new seats, and I had them reupholstered to match the logo for the truck on the seats, and did it gray. A little bit lighter gray, but to match the interior for the bedding and stuff like that. And then coming up here on this side, it's a C15 6NZ that PDI built for me, custom built it. Did compound turbos on the other side. Basically, they painted everything on it. We had it shipped to us, put it in, it runs awesome. All the piping up for the air cleaners and everything's all original piping from 1987. Every single air line and fuel line on this is all steel braided lines. We custom did all that. And instead of just the black rubber lines, do the steel braided. They look a lot nicer on this custom stuff. Oh, we made all custom panels for underneath also. So everything underneath the cab and sleeper's all boxed in with lights in it shining down.
Does the truck have a nickname or any kind of funny, cool stories to go along with it?
Problems. That's what we were calling it, problems, because that one is one thing after another, there's a problem with it. But when we were trying to load it to come here, we had a problem when we were loading it on the trailer. So it's never-ending battle. Yeah, so my dad, Bill Rethwisch, he did all the wiring he rewired the whole dash and everything else on the truck. He ran majority of all the air lines and everything because he knew where that stuff was supposed to go. I did the custom part on the outside with the paint and all the other accessories and stuff that we did on it. And then we came up with this idea for doing these wheel stands. That's kind of a mixture of both of ours.
I'm Bill Rethwisch. I own Rethwisch Transport out of Tomah, Wisconsin. And behind me you'll see my son Luke's truck that he just got done building. What I did is took Luke's vision and helped him with a lot of things that maybe he didn't know a lot about. But honestly, the kid's been around trucking his whole life. He's been working in the shop with me, and there wasn't a ton that he didn't know, but he needed help with actually building it, putting it together, sourcing parts, and just building it from what this came out of a junkyard 6 months ago to what it is today. Well, I used to be big in the show truck scene, yes. I'm glad to step back and let my kids do it. Been on the cover of Overdrive a couple of times. We have been on the Shell Rotella calendar many times. We've done a lot of different shows. We've been known nationwide to the trucks that we build, and I'm happy to step back and hopefully my sons can continue the legacy that I've started for them and build on it and make it better, and get our name out there and their name in the process.
Huge thanks for everyone that helped me with it. Wouldn't have been able to get it done without them.